The people that are new na wala kayong alam sa 4 basic personalities, it's okay na bago pa lang to sa inyo, pero we're telling you na even 10, 20 years from now, maganda pa rin siyang aralin ng aralin because it's always something madali siyang malaman, mahirap siyang i-apply. So magandang aralin ulit. Okay, now, pwede ka ba mag-recap ng 4 lang?
Okay, 4 basic personalities. The first one is dominant. So, kung dominant, yun yung mga leaders, mabilis kumilos. They want results. Result. I don't care how it's done, basta may resulta. Next is people person.
Okay, ang people person naman, kilala niya lahat ng barangay, kilala niya lahat ng kapitbahay, marami siyang friends sa school. Tapos ano yan, palatawag, gusto ng attention, madaldal, yan. Ganun siya. Pangatlo. Okay.
Gentle, supportive, usually chill lang. Very, medyo slow moving, pero reliable. Loyal. Sila yung friend na magko-comfort sa'yo, hindi ka nila pagagalitan kahit maling-mali ka na. Sila yung parang lagi nilang, kung may kailangan sabihin sa'yo na masakit, isusugarcoat nila ng konti para hindi ka masyadong masaktan. Sa gentle, supportive ka magpasama kasi very loyal and very supportive.
The 4th personality, meticulous, detailed OC personality.
Meticulous na OC na detailed pa.
Ito yung mga magagaling sa detalye, magaling sa...
Mathematician.
Yung maliliit, basta sa mga micro issues kita niya. Yung minsan, akala mo okay na, nakikita niya yung, oy, may mali doon na mali, may maliit na puting buhok, or merong maliit na mali. The meticulous is very good at that. Yeah. They're very excellent people. They like to do things excellently. So yun yung pang-4. This is RM, Relationship Matters.
Your online ninong and ninang saying, wag pera-pera lang ang pagkuha ng ninong at nina.